Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Create a Google Ads account and link it to your YouTube channel directly. Sign in to Ads. Google.com and choose the same Google account used for your channel. Verify billing information and add a payment method so campaigns can run without interruption. Set an initial daily budget, for example 5, to control spend while testing. Enable linked accounts for Google Analytics and audience sharing to capture view metrics and remarketing lists. Confirm channel ownership in YouTube Studio so ads can access your videos and audiences quickly. Create a new campaign and choose the video campaign type with a Drive Video Views objective. Select ad format, such as skippable in stream or a 15-second non-skippable or 6-second bumper ad, based on goals. Set targeting by demographics, interests, custom intent keywords, or your uploaded audience lists. Choose bidding focused on views or CPV. Start with a CPV of /bin/sh. 0.5 to test creative performance. Set campaign dates for a 7-day test, pause underperformers, and scale winning ads to a 30-day plan. Track performance daily using view count, view-through rate, average view duration, and CTR metrics. Compare campaigns and run a /B tests on thumbnails and the first 5 seconds of your video to improve view-through rate. Use frequency capping at 3 impressions per user each week to avoid ad fatigue and lower wasted spend. Pause variance with low CTR under 0.5% and reallocate budget to creatives hitting target view duration goals. Gradually scale budgets by 25% on campaigns meeting cost and retention KPIs while maintaining CPA targets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.